How to write the "To what extent do you agree or disagree" essay. I've been busy, let's get on with the video. So let's have a look again at the question. Scrolling TikTok is making people's attention span worse. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So the first thing we need to do is make sure we understand the question. So it's an agree or disagree question. Then we need to decide if we agree or disagree and make a plan. I'm going to choose that I agree on this. So I need to come up with some ideas. So 10-second videos make people lose interest. People used to read books. There's always a new video one swipe away. These are just generating ideas for our body paragraphs. We're not going to use all of them, but we need some ideas to get started. Next, we need to write an introduction. And in the introduction, we need to paraphrase a statement, give a thesis statement, and summarize your main points. For example, people can't concentrate for long periods of time anymore. People think social media apps like TikTok are to blame. Now we give a thesis statement. I fully agree with this because, and now we look at our plan, we're going to use these for our main points, so we just write them from our plan. These will also be the topic sentences for our body paragraphs. Okay, after that we need to write our first body paragraphs, and in body paragraphs we need a topic sentence, a supporting sentence where you explain, and you need to give examples or evidence and then link to the thesis statement. Here's how it looks. Firstly, TikTok always has a new video just one swipe away. This means that it takes a very small amount of effort to get to the next video. Examples. My pen's broke. Let's try again. For example, if I am watching an IELTS video and there is 1 second of feeling bored, I swipe to the next one. This promotes a loss in my attention span and the attention span of others. See, we link into the thesis statement there. All right, now same for the second body paragraph. So, topic sentence. Secondly, TikTok videos are designed to be fast-paced, loud, and entertaining. This is because if they are dull, people won't spend much time on the app. For example, if you see someone just writing an essay, for instance, people will swipe to a dog video. Let's link it. This trains people to want instant gratification. Step 6, write a conclusion. And in the conclusion, we need to restate your opinion, we need to summarize our points, and then we need to paraphrase the thesis statement. And we have all these ready. To conclude, I fully agree that TikTok is damaging to the ability to concentrate for long periods because, and we have our points, it always has a new flashy video to give you the second you get bored. Step 7, check your spelling and grammar. Step 8, celebrate. Woo! So just to recap, you need to make sure you follow these steps, but the most important ones are you must make this plan. This plan is the backbone for your essay. It gives you your introduction and your conclusion and gives you the topic sentences for each of your body paragraphs. In your introduction, you need to make sure you paraphrase a statement, give a thesis statement, and sum up your arguments. Again, you need a plan for this. In your body paragraphs, you must have a topic sentence, supporting examples and evidence, and you must link it to your thesis statement or the next paragraph. And in the conclusion, you need to restate your opinion, summarize your points, and paraphrase your thesis statement. This is really important because it gives your essay really good cohesion. Ooh, cohesion. Could be something else. Have a go now in the comments. Try to write a 4-paragraph, 250-word, really well structured "Do you agree or disagree" on this question. Pause the video, have a look at it, watch this video next. Good luck and smash those IELTS exams.